What's up, everyone? Today we are making one of my favorite holiday veggies, Parmesan Brussels sprouts. Here's a pic of the ingredients, and my bad, y'all. I forgot to actually put the Brussels sprouts in the picture, so just imagine that they're there. So just check below in the description box for details. But we are gonna get started by taking our Brussels sprouts out the bag. When you buy Brussels sprouts, they come with this stalk part on it, so we're gonna cut that bottom piece off and then remove the outermost leaves from the sprouts. Now that I'm done with that one, I'm going to place it in a medium-sized bowl and continue cutting and peeling my Brussels sprouts. Alright, I'm on to the last one, and now I'm going to pick through the Brussels sprouts and kind of pluck off the extra brown spots. Then I'm going to give them a really good wash. So the Brussels sprouts are all good and clean now, and I'm going to go in and slice them in half vertically. Make sure it's along the large vein going down the middle. Continue this until they are all cut in half. Now that you're done, set the bowl to the side and let's prep our baking dish. Today I'm using my 8-inch cast iron skillet, but any good baking dish will do. Put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter into your baking dish and place it in the oven until it starts to melt. Should take about no more than 5 minutes. Alright, my butter is all nice and melted, so pour most of it into your bowl of Brussels sprouts and set the baking dish aside. Now let's dress up and season our Brussels sprouts a bit. Today I am using garlic salt, onion powder, smoked paprika, crushed pepper, a bit of olive oil, and some Parmesan cheese. I know fresh Parmesan cheese is best, but I didn't have any, so I'm using this as a substitute, but feel free to use whatever seasoning you like and prefer. Mix your seasonings and Brussels sprouts really good until they are all thoroughly coated. Here's a quick look. Once you're done, pour the sprouts into your baking dish and spread it into a single layer if you can. Bake your Brussels sprouts on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Cook time largely varies on how you like them done. They can be super soft or still firm and crunchy, charred, or lightly brown. Now this step is optional, but I removed my Brussels sprouts from the oven and I'm going to top them with a fair amount of Parmesan cheese again. Mix them thoroughly and then broil for an additional 5 minutes or so. And my Brussels sprouts are finally done. Now I'm going to plate mine and pair it with some macaroni and pork chop bites. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.